Hi, Matt Burningham here with ERA Brokers. We're here with Blake from NEXA Mortgage.
How's it going, everyone?
So we're going to find out a little bit more about NEXA and what you do here and how you can help people in the community.
Sure.
So tell me about NEXA.
Sure. So NEXA Mortgage, we are licensed in almost every state across the nation. The difference with us is we are a mortgage brokerage. So a mortgage broker doesn't work for any specific bank. And essentially what they do is we have access to banks all over the country, and the bank will now compete for your business. So instead of traditional, a lot of mortgage shops, they have companies that they'll do the loan for you. They're kind of limited with what they can offer. Since we do not work for any specific bank, we have access to lenders all over the country. That lender will shop for your business. So once we know exactly what it is that you're looking for and what your individual needs are, we can tailor a loan and find the right fit for you to find the best possible rate and term, everything that fit your individual needs. So what that does is that opens up so many more options that other traditional mortgage shops don't have. And so because of that, you're obviously going to have a better deal. You're going to feel more confident and more comfortable with your home purchase.
Yeah. So tell us about rates right now, kind of where they're at. And
Sure.
Is rate the most important thing?
Not by any means. So, of course, that's everyone's priority question is where are rates at? Rates are still very low. Unfortunately, they have gotten a little bit higher than they were, say, in 2021. However, rates are still so low. The most important thing for you when you're buying a house is you want a loan to fit your individual financial needs. You want to know that you're being taken care of. Sometimes a loan product that some other mortgage advisor may recommend for you may not be the best fit for you and your family or for what your goals are for this home. So by no means at all is rate the most important thing. Yes, of course it is. However, options are. We have so many options to help you save money. Things like only putting 10% down payment, having absolutely no mortgage insurance at all. No other lender in the country can offer that. We as a broker can offer you a loan with only putting 10% down payment, no mortgage insurance at all. So that's huge. Right now with homes increasing in value and increasing in price, you may not want to put that huge down payment down to avoid mortgage insurance. Also, other loan products, say like jumbo loans, you can get a jumbo loan with only putting a 10% down payment and no mortgage insurance. That's massive. That's huge. We have loans for every single category. It doesn't matter what it is that you're looking for, what your needs are. We have a loan for you. There are loan options out there that, a lot of other companies may not offer you. So the more you know, obviously the better situation, you can be in.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. As you work with people, what's some of the favorite parts of your job that you do?
I love my job. Absolutely love it. My favorite thing is seeing a client get their keys. I love the excitement in their face, especially, for as an individual, you work so hard. Your home is your paradise. I want to see you ecstatic about your home, ecstatic about your purchase. I want you to come back and call me a couple days later when we have a conversation and just absolutely love your experience. That's why we do what we do. I know how it feels to own a home, and I want you to have that same feeling.
Perfect. What's the craziest thing that you've seen happen or be requested of or something? The craziest experience you've had?
Man, we get different scenarios every day, but I've seen homes that are covered in termites and black mold, water damage, all these other things that people traditionally think, it's not possible to get a loan on it. We can do it. You can do different renovation loans, different things of that category. And to see a home that most people think is condemned and or, complete tear down, we can get a loan on that. And to see people recognize and realize that that's even a possibility it's pretty wild.
Perfect. All right. And I know we've talked about one or two in the past as we've seen different things on the side of the house where the paint's flaking off and still able to make things happen there. So that's always been great. Let's talk a little bit about the community here. What's your favorite restaurant to go to? favorite type of food, some of that stuff a little bit.
Sure, yeah. So Southern Utah is just absolutely growing like wildfire right now. It's crazy.
Yeah.
People are starting to realize the lifestyle that you can live here, the weather that we have, the sunshine pretty much year round here. People are loving that. My favorite thing about the town is I love the warm weather. I love just to relax with my family, be outdoors, and do things with my kids. My favorite restaurant of anywhere of anyone in my family is Texas Roadhouse. We love a big, juicy steak and the bread rolls, and so we are there as often as possible.
Okay, perfect. As you learn about the community here. How long ago was it that you moved to here?
Yeah, so I've been here for about 13 months now. My family and I were all from California, so it was a little bit of a transition leaving the beach and coming to the desert. But we absolutely love it. We would never go anywhere else.
Yeah, you got lots of fun things to do here, like your Sand Hollow Reservoir, go boating.
Of course.
Get your four-wheelers and your side-by-sides out. You got Vegas not too far. You got golf courses all over the place.
Exactly.
Lots of fun things to do here.
Exactly. Doesn't matter what you're into, you can do it outdoors here.
Yep. All right, last question for you. As you build your business, as you grow, as you plan for the long term, what kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? What do you want people to remember you for?
Sure. So my whole goal is I want to educate people. I want to let them know that there are options out there. I feel like in our industry, so many people are stuck in the past and they're unwilling to move with the future, to make that transition or that shift, and recognize that not every scenario is the same. Every single family is different. Your financial goals are different. Your needs are different for a home and home type. And so my goal is to educate people and let them know what it takes to meet your goal and how we can essentially find a loan custom fit or custom tailored to you and your family's needs. I want people to know that there are more options out there, and there is perhaps a better scenario for you, so that you're not just feeling like you're stuck with your home. Your home is probably the most important financial decision you'll ever make of your life, and so because of that, you want to feel like you're prepared to make that decision and that you're happy with it.
Well, great. We're glad that we had a chance to talk with you today.
For sure.
And once again, we'll talk another time. And everybody call Blake for your mortgage.
Hey everyone, my name is Blake Funk. I'm a local mortgage broker here in Southern Utah area. The difference between a mortgage broker is we find the bank or the lender who is willing to give you the best rate and terms. So we are going to look for your perfect scenario. We're going to have banks competing for your business rather than you competing for the bank's business. So again, if you're looking for the absolute best possible deal to fit your individual needs, give us a call. We're NEXA Mortgage. My name is Blake. You can shoot me a text or send me a phone call anytime. My phone number is 435-406-5577 or bfunk@nexamortgage.com. Thanks.